Hi, welcome to Mrs. Young's Tech Tips. Today we are going to talk about how you can use Microsoft's Planner application to power up your team planning. If your campus has Microsoft 365, most likely you have access to the Planner app, even if it isn't installed on your computer. To access the web version of the Planner app, go to office.com and log in using your district email address and password. Then, you can either find Planner on the main dashboard or click on the All Apps button to find your app. So our planner, it's a green piece, so we're going to click on it right here. And these are plans that are currently in progress, but today we're going to create a new plan. So you're going to go ahead and click with your new plan button, and we're going to title this 6th grade ELA. You can choose to make your plan public if you want anyone to see it, but in this case we're going to make it private because it's just for you and your team. You can also add a description if you want to. So when you're ready, click Create Plan. And now it's going to take you straight to your planning board. And over here, you're going to want to start by adding your team members. So you can just type in their name. And if they're in your organization, they should pop up. And you just click on it, and it will invite them automatically. And you'll notice that what we have up here are what Microsoft calls different buckets. So we're going to create a bucket for each part of lesson or what you do in a PLC or team planning. So I'm going to title this one Lesson Planning. This one's going to be Assessments. This one's going to be Important News. And we'll just start with those three for now. So then what you're going to want to do is, let's start with under Lesson Planning, we'll add a task for this week. So we're going to add a task that is called Week 1 Lesson Plans. Then we're going to set a due date, so we're going to set it for next Friday, and then we're going to assign people. Now I'm the only one in this group right now, so I'm just going to assign myself. And then we're going to click the green Add Task button. So now you see your task down here, and you can click anywhere on the task to open it up and make it more detailed. So you've got the bucket that your task fits in, which is lesson planning, and then we're starting to work on this, so it's in progress. It's definitely important because it's due next week, and we're going to start our work today. And then here you can just type in a description or any other notes you want to add. Then you've got your checklist section, and for this one I'm going to put objective for each day. Then I'm going to add another item, whole group, lesson plan, then student work for each day, videos, and multimedia resources. So these are all the things that our week 1 lesson plan has to have. And then once each of these are completed, we can actually just check them off. You can also add attachments. You can add them from SharePoint if you use SharePoint with your team, or a link to Google Drive, or just a Word document that you've uploaded as a file. So you can upload your lesson plans here and everybody can have access to them. And then as your team continues to fill in your lesson plans and add more, they can continue to add more attachments to this card. And if you have any questions, or your team members do, you can add it in the comments section right there. The other great thing about Microsoft Planner is the labels. So if you click over here, you'll see that there are several different kinds of labels. We're going to go over here and we're going to use a pink label, and we're going to call this one Team Task, because this is something we do as a team. And then we're going to assign that label to that task. So now I want to show you some of the great things that you can do with this planner once it's all filled out. So we're going to go to an already created planner. This is a 5th grade team planner. So you'll notice that if a task is past due, it turns red. Microsoft also emails you with all the tasks that you've yet to complete, so you have a reminder already in your inbox. And when you're a teacher and you're stressed and you've got 50 million things to do, it's nice to have someone else remind you instead of having 15,000 sticky notes on your desk. So you'll notice that each of these is labeled, and we have a team task label, a teacher task label, and a campus task label. And I'm going to show you why those come in handy in just a minute. So you're going to click on the group by bucket. So you can group things Right now they're grouped by bucket or by who they're assigned to, right? If you just want to see only the tasks that you're assigned to, you can do that. But the other fun part is if you want to see what labels. So now you have, these are all the tasks I need to do personally. These are all the things I need to do with my team. And then these are the things our whole campus is doing. You can also group by due date if you want to see what to do first, second, next, etc. So I hope that you find Microsoft Planner as amazing as I do and that you can use it as a really great resource when planning with your teams. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.